If your career is focused around creating inspiring spaces, it only makes sense that your workspace fosters your own creativity. Hi everyone, my name is Mexo. In this video I'll walk through my wife's work from home desk setup and show you how she recently redesigned her home office space to be bright, colorful, and inviting. My wife is a professional interior designer, and while an important aspect of her job is making spaces visually appealing, it is equally as important they be functional. For her own workspace, the goal was to turn a very bland and basic spare room into a home office that's efficient, functional, and creatively inspiring. The most impactful element of the space is the graphic black and white wallpaper, which creates a bold backdrop to contrast the colorful art. The gallery wall above the desk includes an eclectic mix of pieces that further reflects the combination of bright colors with black and white. The desktop my wife chose is the 79-inch IKEA Linneman. While this is a budget-conscious tabletop, the primary reason she selected this desk is for its length. There's enough room to dedicate one side to office work, while the other half can act as a worktop for art and DIY projects. Being that my wife's job keeps her on the go, she primarily works from an older model Dell XPS laptop provided by her employer. With her workflow centered around this laptop, we chose peripherals and accessories which would make switching back and forth from her laptop to her desktop PC more efficient. To make the laptop more ergonomic, she opted to use a laptop riser. The good folks at Grovemade kindly provided their maple laptop riser for this space. Like all of Grovemade's products, this riser has a premium feel and finish. With my wife intentionally curating the aesthetic of her space, this riser with its maple wood accents was the perfect complement to our setup. The subtle use of natural wood elements throughout the desk area adds warmth and texture to the space. In maintaining the minimalist design of this setup, we opted to tuck her desktop PC neatly behind the right filing cabinet. For her primary display, she's using a Dell 24-inch IPS monitor on a single monitor arm. For most of her workday, my wife extends her laptop display to the Dell monitor for extra screen real estate. To allow her to conveniently switch the Dell monitor back and forth between the laptop and her desktop PC, we added an HDMI switch box to toggle between PCs. The main reason we chose this switcher is that it includes a remote control to switch inputs. Due to the switch being controlled by a remote, I Velcro mounted the box under the desk to keep it out of the way. In the same vein as an HDMI switch, my wife uses a Ugreen 4-port USB switch to swap her mouse and keyboard between her laptop and desktop PC with the push of a button. The hub connects to both the laptop and desktop PC via two USB ports on the back of the switch, while peripherals connect via USB to the front side of the 4-port hub. While they do sell KVM switches that feature both HDMI and USB switching in one unit, I haven't found one that has lasted longer than a month. So far, using two separate switchers is working with no issues. The mouse being used is a Logitech G703 gaming mouse in a black and white colorway to match the overall aesthetic of the setup. The keyboard is the Keychron K4 V2 with a set of custom keycaps. Having wireless peripherals is essential for this setup, as my wife continuously shuffles large paper documents around her desk, and having a cable-free surface is important to her. With the Linneman desktop being prone to scuffing, an oversized desk mat is a must for this surface. Grovemade sent over their matte navy blue desk pad in size medium for this setup. The color of this pad ties in with the other blue accessories throughout the space. This is a quality desk pad that's well made and durable. My wife appreciates that she's also able to use it as a writing surface, which is ideal for marking up drawings and blueprints. For audio, I equipped this setup with a stereo pair of Gallo acoustic micro speakers, which are powered by the Topping MX3 amplifier. Other notable items on the desk include a generic phone stand, which matches the other silver accents on the desktop, a Grovemade pen cup, which coordinates with the laptop stand and other wood accents throughout the space, and lastly a Steelcase Elite V2 office chair. If you have questions about any of the design elements or accessories mentioned in this video, be sure to leave them in the comments below. If this video helped you out, drop me a like, and remember, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. Also, follow me on Instagram at Mexo14. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.